In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Zoho projects with Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll have a working connection between the two apps, so your project data and CRM data can talk to each other seamlessly. I'll walk you through each click and also explain what each option means so you know exactly what you're setting up rather than just following along blindly. First, open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. Make sure you're logged into the correct Zoho account, ideally the same one that already has access to Zoho projects. If you work in multiple accounts or regions, double check this before you move on, because the integration will only work properly when both Zoho CRM and Zoho projects are under the same organization or linked account. Once you're in Zoho CRM, look toward the top right of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is the setup or settings area of Zoho CRM. Click that gear icon. This is where you manage all your backend configuration, including integrations, automation, and customization. Inside the setup area, look for the section that manages integrations or developer settings and find the option labeled Connections. Click Connections. This is Zoho's way of securely linking CRM to other Zoho apps or third-party services using authenticated connections. We're going to create one specifically for Zoho projects. On the connections page, you'll see a list of any existing connections your CRM might already have. To add a new one, click the button that says Create Connection. This will start the process of defining how Zoho CRM should communicate with Zoho projects. You'll now be prompted to choose what you want to connect to. From the list of available services, click Zoho Projects. Selecting Zoho Projects here tells Zoho CRM that this connection will be used to access and work with data in your Zoho Projects portal. Next, you'll be asked to enter a connection name. This is an internal label that helps you and your team recognize this connection later. Choose something clear and descriptive like Zoho Projects CRM integration or Projects main connection. Avoid using sensitive information in the name. The goal is that anyone looking at the connections list instantly understands what this one is for. After that, enter a connection link name. This is usually a more technical identifier that may be used in functions, automations, or custom code inside Zoho CRM. Keep it simple, with no spaces if possible, such as Zoho Projects Connection. Again, pick something stable that you won't feel the need to rename later, because this identifier can be referenced in your workflows. You'll also see an option to enable a private connection. Turning this on limits who can use this connection inside your Zoho CRM environment. If you only want certain admins or specific functions to leverage this link to Zoho projects, enabling private connection adds an extra layer of control. If you're unsure, you can leave it off for broader use, but in more regulated environments, keeping it private is often a good practice. Now, choose the scopes for the connection. Scopes define what level of access Zoho CRM will have inside Zoho projects. For example, whether it can just read project data or also create and update it. Select only the scopes that match what you need for this integration. Granting fewer permissions is generally safer, so start minimal and expand only if you find something isn't working due to missing access. Once your connection name, link name, privacy setting, and scopes are all configured, click Create and Connect. Zoho will guide you through any remaining authorization screens, and once that's done, your Zoho projects integration will be active within Zoho CRM, ready to power your project-driven workflows.